So as you can see over here, right, for the current week, I have been testing new ClickBank offer in the self-help space, is digital info product. And I'm testing many different products, okay? You can see on my YouTube channel, but over here you can see, right, in the last few days, I just started on January 13th. This is new ClickBank account for the new niche. And you can see $389 in the first 24 hours, in the first night. And then after that, $700, $800, and $1,382. Now this is new niche, and what we are testing is actually buyers clicks, buyers intent. When it comes to ClickBank affiliate marketing, if you're a beginner, if you have never tried any affiliate offer out there, if you have never had success, the most important thing is to understand to have the right buyer's intent, not only curiosity clickers, okay? Most of gurus on ClickBank, they teach you the outdated methods that used to work a few years ago. But in 2026, if you're a beginner, if you want to have consistent daily results, let's say $250 to $500 per day, yes, it's still possible to make money online in 2026. You just have to have someone who can help you one-on-one, step-by-step, over the Zoom call to have actually Google ad campaigns correctly set up for the psychology of ads, for structure of markets, for criteria of markets, and also to have the right message to the market match. That's very important, okay? Because it's all about psychology of marketing, deeper psychology of ads, and the right structure. How you structure it is very important for different emotional states of your audiences, okay? That's why we can have these kind of results. And this is just one of my multiple ClickBank accounts, okay? You can check my other YouTube videos, but the most important thing is having someone who can help you in 2026, one-on-one, step-by-step, to set up this kind of system, so you can spend 30 minutes per day doing that, even if you have 9 to 5, okay? So it doesn't matter. But if you want to have results, yes, it's still possible. There is my WhatsApp number in the description below. There is my email, Facebook Messenger, and my Instagram, where we can connect one-on-one.